Ferrari reportedly expanding Maranello factory for EV production line.
Ooh.
The sports car maker will shift to making hybrid and fully electric vehicles, with the first EV expected to debut in 2025. I remember this news. This makes sense to me.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. They're not going to do the whole electric thing. They got to keep some of those classic ICE vehicles around. Ferrari. The company already has experience building electrified vehicles, the first of which was the Ferrari LaFerrari, whose poorly chosen name has aged badly. It has an electric motor that boosted its V12 engine to a total power output of 950 horsepower. However, LaFerrari was a hybrid, and the company's first plug-in hybrid, the 986 horsepower SF90, only debuted in 2019. Oh, do we have any new photos on the SUV? Because I see a link there. No, it's just that there's a link right in the article. They are working on their first SUV right now. Puro Sangue? Is that how you say
Puro
it?
Sangue?
The link is right there, Will.
Way.
Right there?
Right there.
This one.
There you go.
Puro Sangue.
Yeah, well, I don't know how you say it, but this is going to compete with the Lamborghini Urus, I suppose. It looks a little more
long hood.
car-like.
Is it just me, or is the back tire bigger than the front?
Yeah. Could be. But here it is. It's got all the camo on it, so it's crazy.
It's hard.
How those lines, like
They really...
how zebra, like I can see a zebra's face right under the driver's window. Zebra tech is nutty.
You got to do a later case.
Zebra.
Oh, wow. I see
Yeah,
it
with
now.
this. That'd be so
I
cool.
don't think it's possible to do a pattern like that.
I would have that in a moment.
Yeah.
Wow, really? Okay.
Oh, man, that's so cool. I love when I see a car with that camo in real life. You're just peeping it the whole way.
I know. It's so much more interesting than if it didn't, but you still can't really see
No, you can't.
how it's going to be. This is a controversial vehicle because people are saying, Ferrari, you shouldn't even do that. And you can imagine when they go electric, there's going to be a lot more people that are the traditionalists.
Yeah, they're not going to like it.
The Ferrari Puro Sangue SUV will debut by the end of 2022. The plug-in hybrid variant within the next 1 or 2 years. The first fully electric Ferrari is believed to debut in 2025. So it's still a ways off, but yeah, you're going to have to start creating the spaces to engineer such things at your HQ.
They're not going to replace the previous gas-powered cars, like in terms of name. It's got to be something completely different.
I have no idea what their plan is for that. I just know that many European car companies have stated that they'll be completely electric very soon. And my curiosity is around whether or not, like how they'll keep some internal combustion options, or if they, like how they'll do that for the heritage aspect. It plays such a role with those types of brands.